Please keep in mind that if you open a G-code file, which is an output file from the ProNest software, meaning it's not a design file, you will no longer see the DXF reader window. This means your file will open directly, and you won't be able to perform any edits on it. Once you have successfully selected and opened your desired file, your file will then be clearly displayed within this dedicated toolpaths window. Within this toolpaths window, you'll find essential information regarding your file, such as the precise path or address of the file you've just opened, as well as your defined work size, which specifies the exact dimensions of your project along both the X and Y axes. The dimensions that are actually displayed here correspond to the size of this red frame, and they are not the dimensions of your final workpiece. You must keep in mind that these dimensions are specifically showing you the red frame. Work length indicates the device's displacement in millimeters. For this entire task to be executed, it shows that the device moves 450.229 millimeters to fully complete the work. You have the zoom out, zoom in, and zoom fit buttons. If you press the zoom fit button just once, it will automatically fit your current workpiece onto the display screen. Then, if you press it a second time, it will zoom to fit your entire workspace or table within the view. You have access to the controls for the isometric views, which are currently set to display every single one of the isometric perspectives available. This is primarily due to the fact that, within this particular interface, we are exclusively performing two-dimensional design work. Consequently, an isometric view doesn't really provide a great deal of practical utility for us. Instead, it is only the top-down view that proves to be genuinely useful and relevant. We have a yellow plus sign right here, which shows the nozzle's current position. Then, we also have a blue plus sign, which indicates the exact G-code line where the cursor is currently positioned. Now watch as I scroll down. The blue plus sign also moves along with it. In addition, we have the orange-colored plus sign, which clearly indicates the device's 0 point.